Now moving on to the second sum, they have given us y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e power minus t, and two initial conditions are given. So since the RHS has the t form, so now we are changing it as d square y by dt square 3 times of dy by dt plus 2y equal to e power minus t, that you name it as 1. Taking L on both sides, that is Laplace transform on both sides. So you apply L. So after that I am removing from first term, you keep it as it is. From second term I am removing 3 out. 3 times of L of dy by dt plus 2 times of L of y equal to L of e power minus t. Now I am applying the formula. This is this bracket what I am representing the formula for d square y by dt square, which I already said in the beginning of the first problem. Plus 3 times of L of dy by dt, that is this is a formula. Plus 2 times of L of y, keep as it is, and L of Laplace transform of e power minus t is 1 by s plus 1. This part I am naming it as 2. Initial conditions given. Now you substitute the initial condition in this. So y of 0 is 0 and y dash of 0 is 0. Wherever you have y of 0 is apply as 0 and y dash of 0 apply as 0. So in 2. So both if you apply 0, you will get this step. After zeros cancelled, you will get this step. So after that, what I have in common, L of y, s square L of y, here 3 times of s L of y, and here plus 2 times of L of y equal to 1 by s. For L of y, I will remove it as common. That is the next step. L of y, so you will get s square plus 3s plus 2 equal to 1 by s plus 1. Bring this to the denominator. Now this part 3s plus 2 I am just doing by quadratic equation solving. I am getting as s plus 2 s plus 1. Now this part I am doing again by partial fractions. Before that s plus 1 will take it as s plus 1 the whole square into s plus 2. Now applying the partial fractions. After applying the partial fraction, the same. This is a type 2 method. Type 2 of the partial fraction, which is in exercise 5. So 1 by s plus 1 the whole square I am taking as a by s plus 1 the whole square plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2. After this, all the partial fractions methodology. Partial fractions, putting s is equal to minus 2 in 4, I am getting c value, s equal to minus 1 a. This all you will be understood clearly. S equal to 0, you will get this equation. Now solve again, a equal to 1, c equal to 1, we are substituting here, I am getting the value to be b equal to minus 1. After a, b, c value, you substitute in equation 3, that is the beginning of this step. After that I am taking, this is L of y this part, so I am bringing that L to this side, so it become y equal to L inverse of. So after L inverse, I am taking L inverse on this side also, RHS. This is LHS, this is RHS. LHS, RHS. So L inverse, I take L inverse separately inside. Now L inverse of 1 plus s1 whole square. This we know L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t. This is s plus 2 is e power minus 2t. This part again I am doing the exercise 4, which is the inverse beginning of the inverse. I am taking the denominator to be phi of s plus 1, that is 1 by s plus 1 the whole square, replacing the s by s minus 1. Then after that, all this methodology I will apply, and the last step will be, I will take it as L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 the whole square equal to L inverse of y of s plus, which is we have studied in the exercise. That exercise we are applying here. So t times of e power minus t, this I am apply here. So the final answer will be, so y equal to t e power minus t minus e power minus t minus plus e power minus 2t. That's it.